the Devops mock interview day 99. We already completed 98 mock interviews. So if you are looking for other mock interviews, go and check out in our YouTube channel. Go to playlist section. There you can find all mock interviews. And please like this video so that we will get motivation to continue more mock interviews. And one more thing, I'm going to start a new training coming next week. That is on Monday, 17th March. So if you want to enroll, please don't miss the opportunity. Please go and so I just show you the tools which we are going to cover. So we will start from Git, then after Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, Cloud, and a DevOps project. So you will get 10 real-time projects. Okay. So and the class timings, coming to class timings, so we will start from 17th March. Okay, and it will end at 17th May. So nearly 2 months of training. Okay, and the class timing will be from morning 7 a.m. Indian time, that is IST, to 8 a.m. IST. Daily 1 hour of classes there will be there. So Monday to Friday you will be having a classes. Saturday and Sunday you will be having an holiday. So where we will utilize for mock interviews. Now you are watching this mock interview, right? Here only enrolled people will going to join for mock interviews. They will test their skill, how much they have learned. Okay. If you say today I am conducting a mock interview on Terraform, so now people will join and they will already prepared the Terraform, right? They will try to answer the questions on Terraform. So they will get to know how much perfect they are in Terraform, how much practice they have done. If they are missing something, they will get an opportunity to revise it once again, right? You can share this video, okay, to your friends, so they will refer my YouTube channel. Okay, what they will do, they will just go through it. They will just go through my all videos. If they like, definitely they will call me, right? The number will be displayed, right? You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. So if you search for DevOps CSE, okay, this is my YouTube channel. Okay, this is my YouTube channel, DevOps CSE. Okay, this is my WhatsApp. You can call or WhatsApp. Let's wait. People will join for the mock interview. Then we will continue the mock. Like this video, please. Yeah, hi Laxman. Thank you so much for joining.
Hello, Pawan.
Yeah, hi Laxman. If you want to go ahead and introduce yourself. Are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sure. So, hello, Pawan. Myself, Imdad Akhtar. I'm excited to here today, and I have 5.5 year of professional experience with 4.6 year of focus on DevOps engineering. Through Throughout my career, I have gained hands-on experience in building and maintaining cloud infrastructure, specifically on Azure. In terms of my core skill, I have designed and implementing CI/CD pipeline using Azure Devops, and worked extensively with Docker to containerizing and application, and Kubernetes for orchestrations as well. As well. I also have solid experience in infrastructure automation, but using the Terraform, and which has allowed me streamline workflow and manage infrastructure efficiently. For monitoring and observability, I have worked with the Grafana, Prometheus, Loki, Azure Monitor, enabling me to ensure system reliability and performance as well. I'm really passionate about my improving development workflow and optimizing infrastructure. I'm excited to learn more about this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Lakshman, are you practicing daily or you are just joining the mock and in the mock interview you are practicing?
I'm practicing daily, Pawan.
Okay, but I can tell, right, compared to previous mock interview, you have improved a lot. I'm happy for that, but it is only 10%. It is not enough. Okay, you only watch yourself after I update the recording, right? You will get to know. Okay, just compare yourself with Chetan. So now I will ask Chetan to introduce, right? He will perform excellent compared to you. Yeah, Chetan, go ahead.
Hi, sir. Just a minute, sir. I just logged in. Um, Hello, everyone. My name is Chethan Kumar, and I'm based out in Bangalore. I hold a BCA degree with overall experience of 11 years into IT industry, out of which 6.2 years specifically focused on DevOps. In my DevOps journey, I have worked across a variety of tools tools and technologies, including Dockers, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Terraform, AWS, such as EC2, S3, and IAM. And related to CI/CD practices, I have used Jenkins, GitHub Actions. I have also utilized monitoring and logging solutions like platforms Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK Stack to enhance my system reliability and performance. About my roles and responsibility, I was responsible for managing and improving cloud infrastructure. Mainly, I was using AWS as a primary tool, primary platform, and automating tasks, ensuring the systems were scalable, secure, and efficient. I used tools like Terraform for automating resources provisioning and Jenkins for building CI/CD pipelines, making the deployment process smoother and faster. I worked extensively with Docker and Kubernetes to containerize and orchestrate applications, ensuring they run consistently across environment and scaled as needed. Additionally, I set up the monitoring and logging systems with Prometheus and Grafana. um, I use them for troubleshooting issues and optimize system proactively. I also collaborated closely with deployment and operations team to ensure the seamless communication, tackle issues quickly, and maintain a focus on security, automation, and performance optimization in all the process across. That's it pretty much about myself. Thank you for this opportunity.
Yeah, Chetan, I just I told some positive about you, but right compared to yesterday,
Okay.
right, you are not performed not up to the mark.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, I
Let
can
me
clearly
just
say that you are not
tune
prepared.
myself again. Oh, yeah. For sure.
Okay, okay. Yeah, no
I
issues. I
was
will try to
trained.
introduce
I just
myself.
went to hospital and came back now. Yeah.
Yeah, hello and thank you for having me today. I have over 7 years of experience in the IT industry with a strong foundation in Linux administration, cloud engineering, and DevOps practices. I started my career as a Linux administrator where I developed a solid understanding of system management and automation. About a year into my career, I transitioned into a cloud engineering, gaining hands-on experience with various cloud platforms and services. For the past 5 years, I have specialized in DevOps, focusing on tools and practices that enhance development and operations efficiency. My expertise includes version control with Git, continuous integration and delivery with Jenkins, containerization with Docker, and orchestration with Kubernetes. Additionally, I have extensive experience with infrastructure as a code using Terraform and configuration management with Ansible. On the cloud, I am proficient in AWS services, including EC2, S3, VPC, and IAM, which has allowed me to design and manage scalable, secure cloud effectively. My background equips me with a well rounded skill set in both development and operations. enabling me to streamline process and drive efficiency across the entire lifecycle of application. I am excited to bring this experience to your team and contribute to the success of your projects. Thank you so much for having me today. I am done my introduction. Thank you. If you have any type of
Yeah,
feedback,
sir, it was
please
good.
let me know. So yeah, whatever the situation might be, so you need to be ready on every situation. Okay, it's okay. We will have some personal works, but you need to prepare in such a way, right? Even if you wake up right at 2 a.m. or 3 a.m., you need to be ready to answer the introduction whenever anyone asks.
Yes, sure,
Yes,
definitely
sir,
I will.
sure.
Okay. So today, as you requested, you asked for Terraform. So I prepared for Terraform. So today, major focus will be on the Terraform. I will ask you simple 15 questions on Terraform. Okay, if you already practice Terraform well, if you know the Terraform concepts perfectly, you will easily answer these 15 questions. And one more thing, if anyone watching this video on YouTube, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get updated with a daily mock interviews. If you are right looking for right if you are trying struggling for a job, definitely this channel will help you. And if you are looking for training, or if any of your friends are looking for training, next Monday, that is on 17th March, we are starting a new batch. Okay, you can ping me on WhatsApp. So without further wasting, shall we start the mock interview? The first question will be, how do you ensure Terraform state is not corrupted when multiple team members apply changes? How do you ensure Terraform state is not corrupted when multiple team members apply changes? How do you ensure Terraform state is not corrupted when multiple team members apply changes? How do you manage secrets securely in Terraform? How do you manage secrets securely in Terraform?
We can manage the secret through the variable group or key vault, Azure key vault.
Super, you are right. Chetan, you want to add?
Yeah, as he said, I would agree about the environment variables that we can create and secure the information, and or as well as we can use the S3 buckets to securely save the data.
How do you create multiple similar resources dynamically? How do you create multiple similar resources dynamically? How do you create multiple similar resources dynamically? How do you manage different environments like dev, test, prod in Terraform? How do you manage different environments like dev, test, and prod in Terraform?
Actually, we will use to the space for workspace or separate directory for manage the dev stage and prod environment.
Super, you are right, Lakshman. By utilizing the workspaces, we will manage different environments. So, do you know how to create a workspace?
Terraform init.
Sorry,
Uh,
Uh,
to provision
Lakshman, go ahead. Lakshman?
to provision the service provider, we can
No,
use
no.
Terraform init.
I'm asking to Lakshman. Lakshman?
Terraform workspace environment name command we will use
Terraform workspace?
and environment name. Suppose we need to create the dev environment, so Terraform workspace dev environment. This command we will use.
Then it will be created.
Yes.
Once check it yourself. The command which you are telling, is it right?
Okay.
Terraform workspace and environment. It will be created.
Yes, I think
No thinking. You need to check.
actually, yeah, I will.
What happen if a Terraform apply fails midway? What happens if a Terraform apply fails midway?
First, we need to check and validate by using Terraform validate command.
I'm asking when Terraform apply fails, what will happen? I don't want to validate. Terraform apply was failed. In that situation, what will happen? That is the question. How do you
In
ensure a
that case,
resource is never accidentally destroyed? How do you ensure a resource is never accidentally destroyed? How do you ensure a resource is never accidentally destroyed? How do you reference an existing resource in a Terraform instead of creating a new one? How do you reference an existing resource in Terraform instead of creating a new one? How do you detect and fix drift in Terraform? How do you detect and fix drift in Terraform? How do you
by looking at the
enforce
current,
compliance policies in Terraform? How do you enforce compliance policies in Terraform? How do you perform a rollback in Terraform? How do you perform a rollback in Terraform? How do you run Terraform in a CI/CD pipeline? How do you run Terraform in a CI/CD pipeline?
We will automate through the Azure Devops CI/CD pipeline and add this task and add the script YAML script. Add the task in the YAML script pipeline
Super,
when
you
we
are
will
right,
use.
Laxman. Simply, definitely whatever you said, we will just add a task for the Terraform related things. We will execute Terraform via .yaml file.
Yes.
Chethan, do you know how to use Jenkins?
yes, sir. We were taught about the Jenkins usage today itself. No, today, yesterday also we discussed, and previously when
No,
we
no. My
had
question
the class.
was,
Mhm.
how do you run Terraform in a CI/CD pipeline?
Yes, sir. We have to describe the run command in the script. We have to describe whatever the task that needs to be performed in the pipeline script, and then we can include the YAML file that needs to be
YAML
uh,
file will be comes under Azure pipelines.
TF file,
Why?
Terraform.
No, no. I'm asking you how you will run Terraform in a CI/CD pipeline.
Yeah, we can just include the task, whatever that needs to be performed in the
Okay,
pipeline
how you will
script.
include the task?
Include the task in the script, the pipeline script that we describe, right?
Okay,
The
what is the
steps that
pipeline
we
script? How you will write the pipeline script?
okay, the steps will be included to okay, first it starts with
We
uh,
simply write a stages, different
yeah,
stages.
stages,
Inside the
correct.
stage, you will call. That is
Yeah,
a simple
okay.
answer, right?
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Oh, I forgot to mention the stage.
How do you ensure Terraform code reusability?
Actually, we will create to the modular for
Super.
you.
Yes, we will utilize the Terraform modules.
Yes.
How do you conditionally create resources in Terraform? How do you
By
provision
using
software after launching an EC2 instance? How do you provision software after launching an EC2 instance? We can use provisioners. How do you migrate a local Terraform state to a remote backend? How do you migrate a local Terraform state to a remote backend? So Chetan, did you practice Terraform today? Right? You didn't right able to answer single question on Terraform. So just
yes, sir. I am.
revise the
Yeah,
Terraform once more.
yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah, Lakshman, go ahead.
Yeah. Can you show again the
How do you
question? Yeah.
migrate a local Terraform state?
Actually, we will create to the Azure blob storage. So there we have stored the state file
Super, right.
from the locally.
You are right. Coming to AWS, we will create a S3 bucket.
As
There we will copy it.
yeah, S3 bucket. Yeah.
Shall we check the answers?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Today, right, Lakshman, you have performed well. Super. Keep it up.
Thank you.
But introduction part was lagging, so it is very important. Please work on it as well.
Yes, sure, Pawan. Next time we will give the 100.
So, how do you ensure Terraform state is not corrupted when multiple team members apply changes? So, use a remote backend with state locking. So, example using AWS S3 plus DynamoDB. S3 for storing the state file, DynamoDB for locking. So, this is the example. So, DynamoDB ensures state locking, right, preventing conflicts. In case of you, you will use a Azure Blob Storage, Lakshman.
Yes.
How do you manage? So here in AWS, right, S3 bucket will not support the locking functionality. Azure Blob Storage supports blocking functionality. That's the reason we no need of any other. Here, it as it is not supporting the locking, we are depending upon DynamoDB. Okay, Azure Blob Storage supports locking.
Okay.
So how do you manage secrets securely in Terraform? So there is a Terraform vault, right? So avoid hard coding secrets in .tf files. Use AWS Secrets Manager or SSM parameter store or a vault. So in case of yours, you have mentioned Azure, which
Key
one?
vault and a variable group.
Yeah, Azure Key Vault. Yes, and variable sensitive true. So fetch secrets dynamically. Data. You can able to fetch the secrets.
Use count for.
So how do you create multiple similar resources dynamically? Use count or for each. So resource AWS underscore instance count equal to 3. Then automatically it will create three similar resources. 3 EC2 instances.
Yes.
You can use in the place of right count, you can use for each as well. How do you manage different environments? So of course Terraform workspace new dev to create a workspace. Yes, you said Terraform workspace dev. How it will be created? The command will
Okay.
be Terraform workspace new
New day.
and the workspace name.
Yes.
If you want to switch the workspace, Terraform workspace, select dev.
Then we'll apply.
What happens if a Terraform apply fails midway? Terraform keeps a partial state. So wherever you applied, until then it will create remaining one. Okay, it will not going to create. So at that time, if there is any corrupted resource, right, you can able to remove it using Terraform state rm and the resource name dot resource type dot resource name. How do you ensure a resource is never accidentally destroyed? You can use prevent destroy. Use prevent destroy in lifecycle settings. So did we discussed or not, Chetan? We have discussed prevent destroy
Yeah, yes, sir.
and ignore changes. Yes, prevent destroy, ignore changes. You forget.
Yes, sir. I just remember when you tell that, but I need to just go and refresh everything in the Terraform.
Okay. How do you reference an existing resource in Terraform instead of creating a new one? So you can use the data sources. We use the data sources. We can call the existing resources. So VPC ID data dot AWS underscore VPC dot. I will get the VPC ID dot. This one also we have discussed. If you remember,
Yes, sir.
how do you detect a
The mock
trust
also.
in
Yeah,
Terraform?
2 times in the mock, I only answered this. Oh,
Terraform plan
yeah.
and Terraform apply. How do you enforce compliance policies in Terraform? So use Sentinel, so which is a Terraform cloud or open policy agent. So using that you can write monitor the compliance. How do you perform a rollback in Terraform? So you can maintain your Terraform state file, so not state file. So rollback using a previous commit, git checkout previous version, Terraform apply. Nothing but whatever Terraform files you have written, you can store the Terraform TF state file, so not TF states, sorry for that. TF files, you can keep it in your GitHub. So if
It
something happens, so you can again Terraform apply, right? With your TF files, then
I mean,
automatically.
uh, I mean previous version of TF file we will check.
Super. Yes, yes, right. You are right, Lakshman. Or if you have a backup TF state file in your local system, right, you can use that backup state file. So how do you run Terraform as CI/CD pipeline? If you are using GitHub Actions, right, this is the Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply. So if you are using Jenkins, simply what we will do, we will be having three stages. First stage for init, second stage for plan, third stage for apply. So how do you ensure Terraform code reusability? Yes, we will use Terraform modules. Module VPC source where your modules was present. This one also we have discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
So how do you conditionally create a resources? So like this we can able to give the conditions question mark 1 0. So how do you provision software after launching an EC2 instance? You use remote exec, right? Sudo apt update, sudo apt install Nginx. Once EC2 instance is created, right? Once it is after launching, we can able to use a provisioner. This one also we have discussed. How do you migrate a local Terraform state file to remote backend? This is also we have discussed. We have used Terraform backend, right? There we
Yes.
have given the S3 bucket name. So then you can use Terraform init to migrate state. It's okay. You are not attended a real interview. You have attended a mock interview. Now you have realized if we didn't revise the tools, we will easily forget. Not only you, I
Okay.
am also will forget.
Yes, sir.
Not only you, even if I not refer, right, I cannot able to explain the concepts to the candidate.
Yes, sir. That's true.
So in the same way, I cannot able to perform in the interview as well. So that's the reason revision is very important. And whoever watching this video on YouTube, so you too, right, revise well and attend mock interviews, real interviews. And thank you for watching this video. So before lefting the video, just give a like, and if you have any feedback, please comment out, and you can share this video to your friends, right, for a new DevOps training. In real-time classes, we will discuss everything. So recently, Chethan has completed his whole DevOps training. So now Chethan was going to attend real interviews. So now I'm going to stop the
Thank you, sir.
recording.